Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pamper routine on my acne prone skin. Hope you guys enjoy this video and hope it helps you fill some extra time, as I know we all have a lot of that now. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you do like this video. So the first thing that I'm doing is steaming my face with my facial steamer. I got this facial steamer from Amazon and it's been amazing. It just helps open up your pores and allows for that deep cleanse that's really required when you're doing this. So I really would recommend this. If you do not have a facial steamer, you can still open up your pores by using a warm cloth on your face, and that would give you a very similar result. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my cleanser. Now to cleanse, I've been using this African black soap. I'm really trying this out lately and I have been liking it. I will be doing a full review on that later, but as you can see, I'm really gently massaging that into my skin, making sure that I'm consciously cleansing my face, getting all the areas that I usually neglect, and this helps to get that extra deep clean that I'm really looking for in this facial. So I would definitely recommend taking your time in this step and making sure you massage your face very gently and very well. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my scrubber. So I've got this scrubber from Amazon and I've been loving the results with this scrubber. It has been helping with my skin texture and also just helping with my overall brightness and dullness of my skin. So I really would recommend this. It's like basically a really mild exfoliant and it has been awesome. So now I'm going to go in with my chemical exfoliant, which is the Ordinary's AHA BHA chemical peeling solution. Now if you saw my video on this, you know I absolutely love this stuff, so I just went in with that and rubbed it all over my face and I'm really enjoying it. So you have to wait 10 minutes for this to dry. While I waited, I went in to read a bit of my book that I've been reading, and I've been loving this book called The 5 Love Languages, and I'm also drinking some water and having a little snack. Why not? Because you know it's pamper day, so I definitely wanted to go all out. Once that's dry, I wash that off. Now I'm going into my face mask, and this mask that I'm using is the Neutrogena Hydrogel face mask. It's one of those cloth masks and I really love this mask, especially after that chemical exfoliant. It is really amazing for soothing your skin and hydrating your skin. Now I'm going to go in with my facial roller and I'm just going to gently massage this mask and this serum from the mask into my skin, making sure that it fully penetrates into my skin and I get the full effect of this serum. I really love the way this has improved my skin, and I would definitely recommend this if you're going to be using any cloth mask or gel masks in your routine. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wait another 5 minutes and I'm having a drink of water because hydration. Once I'm done with the mask, I take it off and I feel so good after this. And I'm just going to go ahead and gently massage the excess product into my skin because we are not going to waste valuable product, not today. And I really work that in and massage my face because this whole routine is about relaxation and making sure that my face and like whole body, mind and spirit are well taken care of. So the next step is to add my serum, and I'm using the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary that has the B5 vitamin. This stuff is really great. I have been loving it and it's super hydrating, and as you can see with every single product I'm applying to my face, I am massaging that in, like literally making sure I'm stroking my face in an upward motion to make sure I get the full product penetration into my skin. And I love all of these products, guys. I'm so happy I'm doing this. It's so relaxing. So once that's all dried out, now I am gonna go ahead and move on to my lips because they are dry and crusty, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Sugar Scrub. This is the coffee and brown sugar one and I love this stuff. I'm gently gonna massage that into my lips and make sure that I get all the dry skin off of my lips because there is no time for dry lips in 2020. 2020, guys, okay? Especially when we're being quarantined, when we have the time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with one of my favorite moisturizers, and this is the Ole Henriksen Brightening C Gel, and this stuff is amazing, guys. I love it, love it, love it. It has helped improve my skin brightness and really helped fade away those dark marks. I really, really love it. So I would definitely recommend this. Again, I'm just gently massaging that into my skin because, girl, I'm very happy with this massage. It is amazing. And now to finish off my pamper routine, I'm going in with my favorite jojoba oil by the Jojoba Oil Company. And I'm just gonna lather my whole face in this stuff. Like, jojoba oil is my favorite kind of oil. It is just so nice and refreshing and really moisturizing. I'm rubbing this everywhere, including my lips, because we want to moisturize those as well. And that is basically it for my whole pamper routine, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to spoil yourselves in this time. If there's ever a better time, it is now to do all this stuff. So go on ahead and spoil yourself, treat yourself, live your best life, because you deserve it, guys. All right, make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye.